Hello everyone and welcome back to part 3 of the restoration of this Yamaha Super Tenere 750. In this part it's actually split in two parts, where the first one we have some ASMR wrenching. We take apart the front further and the brakes. In part 2 of this video we deal with a very special problem, that's taking the tank off the bike, but we cannot because both fuel taps are leaking, and you will see the solution in this video. Have fun, enjoy, and if you feel so, leave a comment, a like, a dislike, or a subscribe. Thank you very much. So, this benzene, how is that called? Tap should actually be closed, but it actually isn't. So this needs to be replaced also. Oh, crap. Crap. No, both are leaking. Damn. Wait. Come on now. Go back in there, please, now. Oh my god. Woo! That's a lot of crap. How do you deal with that? So now we have to come up with a solution, and that would be which one? See, it's reserve on and there is off. It's the only way you can twist them. Wow, that's crap. Crap, crap, crap. So let's try this one more time. We need to put this hose in there to get all the benzene out, and I hope the screw will fit to stop the benzene leaking here. What a crap job, I tell you. So let's do this. What the? So, number one, you come here to me. Don't do that. Wow, how bad is that? Cannot even turn it. Oh, what the fuck? I hope it stops now. It doesn't. I have to take out the other side too. So we are back here. It stopped draining in the canister, so I'll take that off now. And I manufactured something like this just to stop the flow, and I will put it on there, and then we go to the other side and do the same again. It's still leaking, but we will... Oh no, wrong size. I hope it will... Well, whatever. Now we go to the other side and do the same again. Damn you, crappy shit. Well, of course we need to fix that, right? So I let that drain and then I will bring you back. So it has drained, and I will now try to close it. Oh, man. 25 years of no care will bring you that. That's how it goes. Well, it's on. Should be good. Damn. All this mess just because nobody cares. Well, now I hopefully can take the tank away from it, because there are things to do. So I took out these screws and actually should be able to take it off now. So I contacted the manual. The manual said to exactly loosen these screws there, and then we can move it, I hope. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Ah, that easy. Now we can see. Oh, that's all spider crap or whatnot. Oh, we have to redo all of it. All of it. All of it. And clean and redo and clean. There is mold in there from, there's rust. To clean that too. Yeah. Well, finally the tank is off. Now we can, nice, continue.